Local chess being played by Granton and Deylan. Let's see who will win. Uh, One has to go up to 10 points for him to win the match. Those ones in red is Deylan, the one with the red bottle tops, and the one with the blue bottle tops is Granton. Deylan has 1 point, so we'll give him this so that we don't miss out when counting. Granton has 1 point, so it is 1 point, 1-1. Granton has 2 points, so it is 2-1. These are the points: 2 points, 1 point. And this is Deylan right here, and this is Granton. Deylan has 2 points, so it is two against two. Granton has 2 points, Deylan has 2 points. Yeah, Granton has 3 points, and Deylan has 2 points. Four against two. Four against three. Four against four. Four against five. Deylan is now leading. Five against five. They are on a tie. Both have 5 points. 5 against 6. Six against 6. They are on a tie. Seven against 6. Deylan is on the lead. Uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 against 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thank you for joining. Please welcome on board on the live. That is, this is the African chase. We normally call it a trap, and these are kids practicing their knowledge and their toughness, so as to understand how to understand the critical thinking in case they are encountered with some mathematics. This is purely mathematics. Please give it a like. Nana Mesko. Okay, so it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 against 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Deylan is leading by 9 points, and Granton has got 6 points. So you have to garner 10 points for you to be a winner. So we are waiting for if Deylan will win this match, or someone else, or Granton will win. Thank you for joining this live. Please give it a like. Thank you very much. Thank you for joining the live. Please give it a like. This is it is almost related to the chess, but we call it a draft in our local language here. So we are testing their ability how to think critically. These are kids, like school-going kids, trying to show their critical thinking and their ability. So the first round is over, has just ended, and now Deylan has got 10 points against 1, 2, 3, against 6 points. So Deylan takes the lead and is the winner. Now I want to start the second round. Let's go. Shares Travel, thank you very much. Hello, everyone and host. Thank you very much. Thank you for joining us. Shares Travel. Thank you very much. And the second round, Granton has a point that he has got 1 point against 0. Granton against Deylan. Let's go. Are you pro at that game? Yes, I am. I'll play sometime later on. So stay tuned. Naja Omar says, hey, hello to you, Naja Omar. Ameshinda. So it is 1-1. I was reading the comments. 2. Dylan has 2 points against 1. Won't let me like the live. Just travel. So Dylan has 3 points. Let's go. Thank you everyone for joining this live wherever you are. Thank you very much. I appreciate your presence. Yeah, next time, Naja Omar asked if I'm a pro at that game. I am. I'll try playing the next live. So stay tuned so that you get to know if they can challenge me or if they are more knowledgeable than I am. Shaz Travel asks, what's the name of the game? What's the point? The point? Nana Mshinda? So it is 4 against 1. Dylan is on the lead. He has 4 points against 1. Once you win, you are given one bottle top to show your points. So just a moment. What's the name of the game? Shaz Travel is asking. It is called a draft. We normally call it a draft here from our side, and yeah, it's a draft. That is. Yes, that is short travel. I hope you got the answer. Okay, let's go. So Granton has 2 points against 4 points over here. So basically these ones are points, but when you are given when you win. Yeah, Just Travel says thank you. You are welcome. You know, I have one phone and I'm recording at the same time, so I'm unable to type, but I think I'm being heard very well. Thank you very much. Yeah, that is Dylan has 5 points against 2. Granton having 2 points. Let's go. Thank you. So Granton has 3 points against 5 points. It's known as a draft. We are testing our skills here and our critical thinking in case of an issue that involves critical solving. It teaches that it encourages or it teaches a lot when it comes to critical thinking. Let's go. Yeah, it is 7 against 3. Remember the first match. It is Dylan who won, and so this is the second match. So let's see if Dylan will still win or Granton will take the lead or will take the win. Let's continue playing. And please, guys, like the video. I'll appreciate. And thank you for being here on this live. Yes, let's continue. Yeah, it is 6, 7, 8. 8 against 3. These are the points. This one here on the sides, these are the points. So this one are 8 for Deylan and 3 for Granton. Once you garner 10 points, you win the match. Or if Granton garners 10 points, he wins the match. You have no otherwise but to. Okay, just hold on. What just happened some time back before the bottle tops were changed? We have this, the rule of the game. This one, the one in the middle is the king. So normally we have got 2 kings, but when it is in the middle is the king. So sometime you can find out, you can play until you are locked, so that you are locked into the corners until you have got no place like to play the next bottle top. So you'll have to remove the king for the other opponent to have the win. So 4 against 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 against 8 points. This is the second match. Thank you for joining. Hold. Don't remove, return it there. So this is like earlier on I was explaining about the king. So you can see the blue ones are for Granton, and the red ones are for Deylan. So what normally happens if you are found in such a situation and you held the king, so the one in the middle here is the king, and you are found in such a situation, so it forces you to remove the king so that the other person can score the point. So continue playing. So that's how it happens. Hold on so that we can explain. Remove the hand. So basically, when it is on a straight line, whichever straight line, maybe diagonal across or diagonal or the other side, they are the both of them, they are same color and they are on the same straight line, then that means that that is a point, like the one right now. Or in other words, or in other scenario, it can be this way. For example, it can be this way, the way it is. Then it shows this person, the one having the red bottle tops, has got a point. So let's return the way it was. So that way it can go this way or this way or this way. So there are 3 points, which shows that you have scored. Let's go until so the one who has scored, whose point is that? So the one who has scored right now is Deylan, and now he gets a point. Let's continue. Start again. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So remaining 1 point. If Deylan wins the next match, then it means he will have taken the whole match, having garnered 10 points. So it is a 9. Right now it is 9 against 4. Okay, let's start. Okay, so Deylan wins the second match. Now we are going on to a third match. We are just going to start right away. So Deylan has won 10 against 4. Okay, let's start. So Granton gets the first point. I'm having a bit a challenge because I'm holding the phone and at the same time I have to concentrate on the game and I give the points at the same time. So kindly bear with me. It is 1-1. Two to one. Granton is on the lead. 2-1. Two to two. They are having a tie. Each one of them having 2 points. Thank you for joining, and please give the live a like. We are playing a game called a draft. Here in our local language, you call it a draft. It is almost related to a chess. 3 points to 2. Thank you for the like. That is a tie. 3 points to 3 points. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. Welcome to this live. Thank you for joining. Welcome to this live. We are playing a game called a draft. It is just a local game here that was invented by, I don't know whoever invented it, but it is a nice game that helps in critical thinking. It involves mathematics. Probably, if you want to win, you have to think critically for you to win or to get a point. That is what is happening right now. And thank you very much for joining. Please give the video like. Thank you for joining us. Right now it is 3 points to 3 points. They're having a tie. The ones ahead, the three you can see here, they are the points that have already been won. And now these ones are the points that are still in the basket. So whoever wins a point is given from right away from here. And so let's see who wins the second point. And you have to play up to 10. We have to garner 10 points for you to be a winner. Whoever garners the 10 points, the first one to garner 10 points is or becomes a winner. And this is the third or fourth game, if I'm not wrong. The first ones were won. The first two were won by Deylan, the one with red bottle tops, and now the second and Granton won one game. Okay. 4-3. 5-3 points. Deylan is on the lead by 5 points, followed by Granton, who is at 3 points. Yeah, big shout out to Naja Omar, Shaz Travel, and many, many more who are watching this live. I really appreciate. Thank you for joining this live. We are having a game here. It is called a draft here in our local language here. Though a draft is an English name, but I don't know how it was given that name. But it's just a game that was invented locally. Even we used to play it when we were in school, and it still exists up to now. Yay! Granton has been called somewhere a bit. Is coming back after some few seconds, and we continue with the game. So right now we are at a pause because one player is on a break. Okay, there he is. He's back. Let's continue. Let the game roll. One, two, three, four, 6 against 3. Whoa, bet is shutting down. Sorry for that inconvenience. Until next time, thank you for being on board. Thank you very much. See you on the next video.